In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your marketing options in Shopify to better engage with your customers. Whether you're looking to enhance your communication strategy through email, SMS, or a combination of both, this guide will walk you step by step through the process of setting up these preferences in your Shopify store. First, let's get started by accessing your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, turn your attention to the lower left corner of the screen. You're going to notice a gear icon, which represents your settings. This is where we'll begin to customize your checkout options. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the settings menu. Now that you've opened the settings menu, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll find a list of various settings you can modify to tailor your Shopify store to your needs. You're looking for the option labeled Checkout. Click on Checkout to proceed to the next step. This section allows you to configure everything related to how your customers complete their purchases. But today, we'll focus on marketing options. After opening the checkout settings, scroll down a bit to find the section titled Marketing Options. This is where you can decide how you'd like to communicate with your customers during and after their shopping experience. You'll notice options to enable communications through email, SMS, or even both, depending on your preference. Choosing email allows you to send order confirmations, newsletters, and promotional offers directly to your customers' inboxes. Opting for SMS, on the other hand, gives you a more immediate line of communication, perfect for time-sensitive notifications like order updates or special sale announcements. You're free to select either one or both, depending on your marketing strategy and your customers' preferences. Once you have made your selections, remember that all changes must be saved in order to take effect. Look toward the top of the page where you'll find a Save button. Give it a click and all your customized settings will be locked in. And just like that, you've successfully tailored your marketing communication settings in Shopify to ensure a more seamless and engaging customer experience. Whether you're sending email newsletters or instant SMS alerts, you're now in a position to keep your customers informed and connected. I hope this guide makes it easier for you to harness the power of effective communication in your Shopify store. Remember, clear and timely communication can make a significant difference in customer satisfaction and loyalty. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!